MedMaster, your ideal mobile solution for improving patient-centered care and outcomes while reducing healthcare costs. In healthcare today, the focus must be solely on patient-centered care and the necessary documentation, and not on the encounter itself. MedMaster on the iPad augments the care while even enhancing the personal nature of the care. Dr. Sandra Clark is in a doctor-patient encounter with Rob Kennedy. As she examines Rob, Dr. Clark uses MedMaster on her iPad to capture her patient's unique clinical story using speech recognition and clinical language understanding powered by Nuance Healthcare. Dr. Clark explains to Rob that during the exam, she'll also be dictating into her iPad, and that if he hears any inaccuracies, to please stop her so they can discuss or correct it. Dr. Clark begins by dictating the patient's chief complaint, history of present illness, and review of systems. She concludes with her assessment and plan for Rob Kennedy. The next day, Dr. Clark is taking a break from making her rounds in a hospital when a nurse sends her a text message on her iPad to let her know that Rob Kennedy is having difficulty breathing, has gained 2 pounds since yesterday, and is more comfortable sitting up. She also informs Dr. Clark that she started Rob with oxygen at 2 liters per nasal cannula. Dr. Clark accesses Mr. Kennedy's problem list in MedMaster on her iPad. She then navigates to his medication list and his last labs. Dr. Clark orders a chest PA and lateral stat. Reason: worsening heart failure. She also orders Lasix 20 milligrams IV stat. Now, using clinical language understanding powered by Nuance Healthcare, she reprocesses his patient record. CLU flags the 2 new orders as updates. Is it time for you to embrace MedMaster's new generation of healthcare delivery? Download our fully functional demo of MedMaster Mobility and MedMaster Cloud-based EHR from the Apple App Store. Search for MedMaster Mobility and MedMaster EHR in the App Store. And remember, MedMaster is certified for meaningful use. Thank you for joining me, and I know you'll find MedMaster to be your ideal mobile solution for improving patient-centered care and outcomes while reducing healthcare costs.